Hi, this is Abhishek. Welcome to the new episode of the travel story. Today, we are going to explore this amazing location near Mumbai. Pandavkada Fall is a 107-meter tall waterfall near Mumbai. It takes around 3 hours to arrive at this location from Mumbai and roughly 90 minutes from Navi Mumbai. So this attraction is quite preferred for the short trek and also for a day-long picnics. Especially during the monsoon season when the mountains are covered with a dense natural vegetation and provide for a beautiful escape from the routine. Reaching the waterfall during the rainy season is a thrill that calls amateur adventures too. It is a plunge type waterfall that falls through the mountains of the Western Ghats of Mumbai and cascades down with immense speed over rock formation underneath. Pandavkada Falls is a beautiful tourist spot situated in the middle of lavish green Pandavkada hills at Kharghar in Navi Mumbai. The waterfall is best during the rainy seasons, hence this is a famous spot for one-day picnics among the Mumbaikars and local peoples of Navi Mumbai. The energizing climate with the view of Pandavkada Waterfall makes it one of the best places to spend some time with the family and friends. Pandavkada Falls also have some mythological importance, and the waterfall was named after the 5 Pandavas of Mahabharata. Kharghar Hills is best for weekends and great escape for trekking lovers. Visit it for a calm and soothing experience. In monsoons, this hillock becomes extremely picturesque as it gets enveloped in lush green vegetation. You can also visit Oye Dam, which is near to Pandavkada Falls, located in Kharghar. The place is very peaceful and calm. This is less visited place by the tourists. The dam is surrounded by mountains on all its sides. A visit during monsoon season is more refreshing than ever. This is best place for camping. So that's all about this place. Thanks for watching.